Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your friend Sophia. Let me show you my vegetable garden update. Then we'll go to the kitchen and make a tasty Chinese style fried shrimp. My tomatoes, green beans. These are my zucchinis. They are ready to harvest now. My cucumber, my blackberries. I put the net on the top so that the birds won't come and eat them. More beans. Let's head into the kitchen now and make a yummy Chinese style fried shrimp. First, I'm going to make the batter ready. In a big mixing bowl, add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ tablespoons of corn flour, a dash of salt. Mix them well. 2 tablespoons of beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and 1/2 cup of water. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Let it stand for 10 minutes. I'm using large shrimp, 41 to 50 count per pound. I shelled and wash it with white vinegar. Into that, add salt to taste, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix them well. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it again. In a deep frying pan, add enough vegetable oil for frying over high heat. Now the batter is ready. You can see the bubbles. I put a drop of batter in the oil. If it comes up immediately, the oil is ready to fry. Now reduce the heat to medium before you frying them. Take one at a time. Dip each shrimp in the batter and shake off the excess and put it in the oil. Flip them over and fry till they get golden brown, say about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Take them off and drain them on a paper towel. Repeat for the rest. It came out very well. Nice and crispy. They are perfect as an appetizer or a main dish. Serve with your favorite sauce. French fries goes well with it. Now it's a full meal. Kids' favorite too. Thanks for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye.